Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve lag on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve lag on Magic Tile Magic Tiles 3 app, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page you will enter to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window of Magic Tiles 3. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.